Did you know that dolphins sleep with one eye open? They're known to be one of the smartest animals on the planet, possibly because it can conserve brain power. Because they constantly have to be on the lookout for predators, they've developed this neat trick for maintaining partial consciousness, even as part of their brain sleep. Okay, did you know that one of the earliest known vacuum cleaners was actually so large it had to be hauled from house to house using a horse-drawn carriage? Its giant hoses were popped through the windows of customers, and a gas-powered motor generated the suction that pulled the dirt and debris from these houses. So you could actually gawk at your neighbor and how dirty he's been living. So pandas, we know them as eating mainly bamboo, which also happens to be really hard to digest. That means that these cute little animals have to eat about 30 pounds of this stuff every day just to get enough nutrients. And they defecate about 4/5 of what they eat. And even what they do digest isn't really easy on their GI systems. These guys really should consider changing their diet around here. So the first McDonald's actually had a drive-thru that was installed in a restaurant based in Sierra Vista, Arizona. It was located near a military installation, and military rules at the time forbade soldiers, from wearing their military uniforms in public. So they weren't gonna change into their, regular clothes and then grab a burger and then run back and change again. It was too much trouble. So the restaurant manager, David Rich, came up with a solution. He would cut a hole through the wall of his restaurant and allow military members to pick up their food without stepping out of their cars. So of course, this is so simple and convenient. That's why you're driving through these drive-thrus today. Okay, so if you've ever had a cat for a mayor, well, it actually did happen. For 20 years, a cat served as mayor of an Alaskan town. So some residents of Talkeetna were unhappy with the candidates who were running for mayor. Political candidates. So as a joke, they actually encouraged people to elect Stub, the cat, as a candidate. And he actually won.